Why is Tesla down on such a green day today, you might be asking? Well, my name's Kacper and this is Tesla Analysis, and today we're going to answer that question. Tesla, despite Elon completing his sales of 10%, is not doing great today. It's actually trading sideways, and we might be all confused about, shouldn't that be a positive catalyst? Like, why hasn't it skyrocketed yet? Well, to answer that question, we got to look at a couple things. People might tell you it's this recall of, I don't know, 500,000 vehicles or something like that. Really, that's not the deal. That's barely costing Tesla anything. Yes, Tesla always trades on exaggerated news, so it might be affecting it somewhat, but if we look at the stock market, we got Google down, we got Nvidia down, we got Apple down, all these mega cap companies all down today. Well, probably because institutions are selling their cash parks and putting it into small and mid-sized caps, as those are bringing huge returns today. Like NEO up 15% as I'm recording this video. Well, I don't think that's going to last. Mid cap and small cap, they've been on a downward trajectory. Today probably isn't going to change much. It's really all to do with Omicron and potential for lockdowns, because case counts are through the roof, and that's why Tesla's down today. It's a technology play, and what we got to look at is potential catalysts for the future, what we have to look out for. And this is a year's view, and so some we got is Q1 deliveries, which is this weekend. Supposedly going to blow out the park, according to many people on Twitter and analysts. So Q1 deliveries blowing out the park, that's going to increase analyst forecasts, and so that might be a potential catalyst. Though that might be a nothing burger, because there's still gonna be certain uncertainty around profit margins, whether those will actually go up or down. We'll talk about that in a later video. But so moving on, we got increased forecasts as a potential catalyst as well. Then Q1 earning call, which is like towards the end of January, which I see end of January being more as a tipping off point for all of mega caps, as Omicron is going to chill out by then, as we're going to have a huge spike, but it's also going to come crashing down, and which is going to be the reverse of the stock market. The stock market's going to go down and then spike up. Then we got, after the earnings call, increased outlooks, because Tesla, for it will be actually a year since Tesla changed their forecast outlook to 50% growth, and this quarter will show that they can achieve that moving forward, as they're blowing out more than 50%. 50% would mean that Tesla would only need to deliver 750,000, and we're getting close to maybe 900,000 deliveries. All right, then we got start of production of the new factories. That's probably also going to be towards the end of this month. They might even stealth launch those, and then just on the earnings call be like, yeah, we are already producing cars, we just gotta ship them. And then we got the 4680. So it's rumored that Texas is going to start with the 4680 and Berlin's going to start with the 2170. If Texas starts with the 4680, that might be some great news, but what analysts are going to want to hear is that 4680 can scale. Not that it could just be made, it has to scale. Then we got the expansion of Tesla insurance. And supposedly we got 3 new states that are going to be launched in January of this year. We don't know what those are yet, but if we can launch in 3 new states, that will show that Tesla is moving forward with their insurance. And that's a high margin, because Tesla doesn't have to launch a product or anything, it's a service. And we want that. We want services. We want more services. Which moving forward, FSD. FSD is going to be moving to FSD 11 soon. And it's a complete rewrite, which isn't actually the best thing for analysts, because what it's going to do is the cars might take a step back. As with all rewrites in the past, the car has always taken a step back. But that's because they need a rewrite because they're hitting a bottleneck. They simply can't progress forward. And this is mostly due to the car being able to analyze what's around it and quickly determine what something is, like a speed bump, a road sign, stuff like that. So what I see as the bigger catalyst is FSD 12. That might be, and don't quote me on this, I'm not a financial analysis. Don't take what I say for granted. Well, do take it for granted. Don't take it literally. Don't trade on it. Make your own do your own research. Take your own advice, not mine. But why FSD 12 is going to be the best like thing for analysts? Well, if we get this rewrite done, we have Dojo coming up. Is already getting implemented, and all the kinks of the new rewrite are gonna get solved. I think this new rewrite has potential for Congress to look at it and make some decisions, and some cities gonna allow Tesla to move up in the autonomy world as like regulations and such. But with looking at positive catalysts, we also have to look at negative ones, and we need to be aware of them. As when we're trading, or at least when I'm trading, I want to know what potential negative catalysts there are. That way I don't get trapped in a fake bull run. Well, one of those, which has nothing to do with Tesla, it's just the government, is lockdowns. Hopefully we can make sense that Omicron is not as deadly as current reports are showing, that the huge case numbers are simply that, just huge case numbers, and it's more like the flu, and things will settle down. But currently there's uncertainty in that, and that's why we'll trade sideways for a little longer. More uncertainty is that whether Elon's really done selling. Most believe he's really done selling, but he could always sell some more discretionary shares. But that's a slight negative catalyst, potentially not going to happen. You never say never, though. Delayed production of the new factories. Hopefully we can move forward. This really just depends on regulations. Berlin is set to be allowed to start production this December. We got one day. That's probably not going to happen. That's not going to look good for forecasts and analysts. And then so we got production difficulties. Some may say there might be production difficulties, but Tesla, this is their third and fourth gigafactory. So they should know how to start ramping a gigafactory. I mean, what we've seen so far out of the factories shows that they already testing out the production lines and all that. So that'll probably be a nothing burger. And then the worst one here is a stock market crash. Many people are predicting a reversal, 20% reversal. Tesla's not getting out unscathed. It trades along with the S&P 500 and other mega caps, just like it is today. If we get a reversal, it might be bad, but that's a buying opportunity. All these negative catalysts are buying opportunities. So we'll see how things pan out. Thank you. My name's Kacper, and leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know if you have any other catalysts that you're looking forward to, but try to keep it in the 2022 time range.